This is Robin with Homeschool Planet. Thanks for joining me to watch this brief video tutorial about setting up your grading categories. Grading categories are just what they sound like, categories that you create for the types of grades you'll be recording for your students. That may be homework grades or daily work, quizzes, tests, exams. The easiest way to set up your grading categories is to go to the Settings tab and then choose the option Grading. You'll see a Categories section and a Scales section. In the Categories section, your account, the first time you open it, will come with 4 categories: homework, project, quiz, and test. These other entries, journal entries, midterm, final, and labs, are ones I have added previously. To add a new category, simply click on Add a New Category. Fill in what that might be. I'm going to add today a category for daily work. That's it. You can save it. You can also edit them at any time. You can go in. We do not recommend editing your grading categories unless you find something like a typo. You can also delete them at any time by selecting the X. But if you delete a grading category, you will not be able to re-add it in the future and have it apply to the same assignments it was previously marked with. So we recommend keeping your grading categories once you've set them up, making small tweaks in spelling. Perhaps you want it to say quizzes or tests instead, or you may want it to say laboratory assignments. A change like that is fine, but in general, keeping your categories the same, but adding all those you need is that easy. Have a great day and reach out with any questions. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.